Angel investors play a critical role in the world of startups. They're often the first to step in with capital when an idea is still in its infancy, long before larger investors or venture capital firms show interest. In India, where the startup ecosystem is experiencing rapid growth, angel investors have become key players, helping to shape the future of innovation and entrepreneurship. These individuals don't just bring money to the table. They provide mentorship, guidance, and valuable connections to help startups scale. In today's video, we're counting down the top 20 angel investors in India, people who are making a tangible impact on the country's most exciting new companies. Let's dive into who they are and how they're helping to build the next generation of success stories. Welcome to the AI Lib. At number 20, we've got Sundeep Tandon, a man whose name is synonymous with innovation in mobile payments. Co-founder of FreeCharge, Sundeep's story begins in Mumbai, where his entrepreneurial journey kicked off. Back in 2015, Sundeep made his first angel investment, and it was no small fry. He backed Razorpay, a Bengaluru-based payment gateway startup that has since become a major player in the fintech space. Since that first deal, Sundeep has built up a portfolio of 19 other investments. And while most of these are based in India, he spread his wings beyond Indian borders, investing in startups in the US, Indonesia, and Singapore. Sundeep's portfolio is a masterclass in seed-stage investing, where the real magic happens. Companies like Spinny, Dukin, and Unacademy all got early support from him, and he's already seen 3 exits, with Flyrobe, Shadi Saga, and Pianta all hitting the big leagues. His story isn't just about putting money into companies, it's about backing visions that reshape industries. What's even more impressive is his dedication to the early-stage game. More than 3/4 of his investments are in seed-stage companies. Coming in at number 19, Arihant Patni's story is one of legacy and reinvention. He's the son of the founder of Patni Computer Systems, a company that played a pivotal role in the careers of some of India's most influential tech figures, including the founders of Infosys. After Patni Computer Systems was sold to iGate in 2011, Arihant didn't just sit back and enjoy the spoils. He started making moves in the venture capital world. Through Nirvana Venture Advisors, a Mumbai-based VC firm, Arihant honed his skills in investing. But outside of his VC role, Arihant has personally invested in 24 startups, splitting his investments between India and the US. You might recognize some of the names in his portfolio, like Lido Learning, The Math Company, and Fraternity. What makes Arihant stand out is his ability to spot opportunities across different sectors, from education to fitness and even brewing. Hello, White Owl Brewery. He's seen 3 successful exits already, including Fraternity and Palo Alto-based Minhash, showing that his keen eye for early-stage opportunities isn't bound by geography. If you're involved in India's startup ecosystem, the name Alok Mittal should ring a bell. This angel investor, ranked 18th, isn't just dabbling in startups, he's leading them. Alok is the co-founder and CEO of Indify Technologies, a Gurugram-based digital lending platform for small businesses, MSMEs. Beyond his own company, he's a founding member of India Angel Network, a group of high-profile investors making waves in the startup world. With 30 angel investments under his belt, Alok's portfolio spans a wide range of industries and geographies. While most of his investments have been in Bengaluru, Mumbai, and NCR-based companies, he's also thrown his hat into the ring for startups in Chennai and even Singapore. His philosophy is simple: invest early, invest smart, and don't shy away from taking a chance on something that others might see as too risky. It's this approach that's led to a diverse portfolio with a strong focus on early-stage startups, but he's also got a handful of Series A-level investments under his belt. At number 17, we meet TV Mohandas Pai, a Bangalorean angel investor with a serious philanthropic streak. He spent 17 years at Infosys, holding various executive roles before shifting his focus to investment. Since then, he's built a portfolio of 30 companies. And while his pace has slowed in recent years, his influence hasn't diminished. What makes Mohandas Pai unique is his geographical diversity. His investments span India, but they also reach far beyond, with startups in New York, London, and even Antwerp. His early investments in companies like Zoomcar, Your Story, and Licious have paid off handsomely, cementing his status as one of India's top angel investors. But more than that, his investments are about making a difference. He's always been clear that he doesn't just invest for financial returns. He invests in companies that are making a positive impact on society. Ranked 16th on our list is Rajesh Sethi, the founder of Times Internet and Reliance Entertainment. His shift from media mogul to angel investor came when he started backing startups in the tech and entertainment spaces. One of his earliest and most successful investments was in Viki, a US-based streaming service that was later acquired by Rakuten, netting Rajesh a tidy return. Since then, he's made 34 other investments across India, Singapore, and the US, with a focus on companies that blend technology and creativity. One of the most interesting startups in his portfolio is Grey Orange, an Indian robotics and AI company that's now based in Roswell, Georgia. Rajesh's diverse background in both media and technology gives him a unique perspective as an investor, and it's helped him build a portfolio that's both geographically and sectorally diverse. Gaurav Munjal, the co-founder and CEO of Unacademy, comes in at number 15. His journey as an angel investor began long before Unacademy became one of India's most valuable edtech startups. In fact, he started his entrepreneurial journey with FlatChat, an app that connected potential roommates. Since then, he's made 35 personal investments, most of which are in Bengaluru-based startups, where he's based. What makes Gaurav's investment strategy stand out is his focus on later-stage deals. While many angel investors focus solely on seed-stage startups, Gaurav isn't afraid to back companies at the Series A, B, and even D stages. His portfolio includes some big names like Pratalipi, a digital storytelling platform, and his own company, Unacademy. Oh, and did I mention that he's already seen 2 successful exits? Game streaming platform Rio TV and fitness startup Tread have both given him excellent returns, proving that his instincts are just as sharp in investing as they are in building companies. At number 14, we have Sujit Kumar, the co-founder of Udon, a Bengaluru-based B2B trade platform. Sujit's background in e-commerce, having worked at Flipkart, has given him a keen understanding of what it takes to build and scale startups. This experience has been invaluable as he's built a portfolio of 38 investments, not just in India but also across Africa and Southeast Asia. Sujit's portfolio is a testament to his deep understanding of the B2B space. He's invested in companies like Euler Motors, Newton School, and Unacademy, and his international investments include Pan-African startup Wasoko and Jakarta-based marketplace Ula. Sujit's focus is on businesses that solve real-world problems, particularly in emerging markets. He's not just looking for the next big thing. He's looking for companies that are changing the way entire industries operate. Next up, at number 13, we have Amish Agrawal, the co-founder of CitrusPay and the current CEO of Pine Labs. Amrish's background in fintech is reflected in his investment portfolio, with 2/5 of his 39 investments being in fintech companies. His experience in the space has allowed him to spot early-stage opportunities that others might miss, and it's led to some impressive results. Amrish's portfolio includes unicorns like Open, a neobank, and Cred, a credit card payment app, both of which have become major players in India's fintech scene. But his investments aren't limited to India. He's also backed companies across Southeast Asia, including a B2B fish and seafood supplier in Singapore. What's clear from Amrish's track record is that he knows how to pick winners, especially in the fast-evolving fintech space. He's already made several successful exits, proving that his fintech expertise isn't just theoretical. Coming in at number 12 is Girish Sachdeva, the co-founder and CEO of Freshworks, one of India's top SaaS companies that's now listed on the Nasdaq. Girish's investment strategy reflects his deep roots in software as a service, SaaS, and he's been instrumental in promoting startups from his home state of Tamil Nadu, particularly in Chennai. In fact, 6 of the 39 companies in his portfolio are based in Tamil Nadu, making him a significant supporter of local talent and innovation. Girish's portfolio includes a mix of social media platforms, fintech companies, and logistics platforms, including Chennai-based companies like Pick Your Trail and Peppal. He's also made strategic investments in social recommendation app Frilp and e-commerce printing provider Inkmonk, both of which have led to successful exits. Girish's focus is not just on investing in promising startups, but also on building an ecosystem where young entrepreneurs can thrive, particularly in cities outside the usual tech hubs like Bengaluru or Mumbai. His ability to identify and nurture SaaS-based startups has made him a key figure in India's startup ecosystem. At number 11, we have Vijay Shekhar Sharma, the man behind Paytm, one of India's most successful fintech companies. Vijay's story is one of true grit and perseverance. He built his first company in his college dorm and sold it for a cool $1 million. This experience gave him a deep understanding of what it takes to grow a business from scratch, and it's something he brings to the table as an angel investor. Vijay started his angel investing journey in 2010 with a seed-stage investment in Malap, a crowdfunding platform, and hasn't looked back since. Today, he has 40 companies in his portfolio, including well-known names like Unacademy, Flowbiz, and Hiver. Vijay's focus is primarily on tech-driven startups, particularly those in fintech and edtech, two sectors where his own experience with Paytm gives him a unique edge. His ability to spot emerging trends early has made him one of India's most active and successful angel investors. When you think of Indian industry, Ratan Tata is probably one of the first names that comes to mind. Ranked number 10 on our list, Ratan Tata's journey as an angel investor began in 2014, well before he stepped down as chairman of Tata Group. His first major investment was in Snapdeal, and although Snapdeal's story didn't have the happiest ending, it didn't deter Ratan Tata from diving deeper into the world of startups. Since then, he's added 39 companies to his portfolio, including GeoKey, Cardeco, Ola, and Urban Company. What's fascinating about Ratan Tata is that he's one of the few billionaires in India who actively invests in startups as an angel. His reputation and experience have made him a sought-after mentor and investor, with entrepreneurs across the country vying for his support. His investments are diverse, spanning industries from e-commerce to health tech, and he continues to be an influential figure in India's entrepreneurial ecosystem. Anand Chadha takes the 9th spot on our list. He's a partner at the American venture capital firm General Catalyst and has had a long career working with major companies like Facebook, Snapdeal, and Airtel. Anand started his angel investing career in 2014, and since then, he's built an impressive portfolio of 43 startups. Anand's investments are split between the US, Singapore, and India, reflecting his global perspective. In India, he's backed companies like Mudrex, Pestotech, and SuperK, while his international investments include startups like Evenflow and Oirickshaw. What makes Anand unique is his ability to blend his experience from the US tech scene with the rapid growth of the Indian startup ecosystem. This combination of global insight and local expertise has made him one of the most sought-after angel investors in the region. At number 8, we have Gendra Gupta, a serial entrepreneur and angel investor who's made waves in the fintech world. Gendra is currently the founder and CEO of Jupiter, a neobank, but before that, he was the managing director of PayU and the co-founder of Citrus Pay. His experience in building fintech companies has made him an expert in the space, and his investments reflect this expertise. Gendra started his angel investing journey in 2015, with his first major investment being an AI-powered personal assistant startup Johookum, which was later acquired by Freshworks. Since then, he's made 45 other investments, with a particular focus on fintech and SaaS companies. His portfolio includes some big names like Open, Farmart, and Captain Fresh, and he's already seen several successful exits. Gendra's knack for identifying early-stage fintech startups has made him one of India's most prolific angel investors in the space. Coming in at number 7, Binny Bansal is a name that needs no introduction. As one of the co-founders of Flipkart, Binny played a key role in building one of India's biggest e-commerce giants. After Flipkart's acquisition by Walmart, Binny shifted his focus to mentoring and investing in startups, and he's done so with great success. Binny's portfolio consists of 50 startups, but he's made a total of 64 investments, meaning he's often doubled down on companies he believes in. His repeat investments include Acco, Cure Foods, and Unacademy. Binny's approach to investing is methodical and long-term. He's not just looking for quick exits, but is committed to helping startups grow and scale. His experience in building a unicorn from the ground up gives him a unique perspective that few other angel investors can offer. At number 6, we have Rohit Bansal, the other half of the Snapdeal duo. Like his co-founder Canal Ball, Rohit shifted his focus to angel investing after Snapdeal's downturn, and he's built an impressive portfolio of 56 companies. Many of his investments are in product-based startups, reflecting his experience in e-commerce. Rohit's portfolio includes well-known brands like Mamaearth, Nat Habit, and Bewakuf, all of which have made significant strides in the consumer goods space. What's interesting about Rohit's investment strategy is that he tends to focus on startups that are innovating in the direct-to-consumer (D2C) space, an area that's seen explosive growth in recent years. His ability to spot emerging consumer trends early has made him a key player in India's angel investing scene. Ramakant Sharma ranks number 5 on our list, and his story is one of perseverance. After co-founding Zing e-commerce, an online platform for cosmetics and fragrances that didn't quite take off, Ramakant tried again with LiveSpace, a home design and renovation platform that became a unicorn in 2022. Ramakant's investment portfolio is diverse, with 61 companies spanning industries from logistics to fintech. He's also made significant investments outside of India's major tech hubs, backing startups in cities like Pune, Kota, and Nashik. His focus on companies that are solving real-world problems, particularly in the design and logistics sectors, has made him one of India's most successful angel investors. He's not just looking for the next big thing. He's looking for companies that are creating lasting change. Canal Ball, co-founder of Snapdeal and Titan Capital, takes the 4th spot on our list. Like his co-founder Rohit Bansal, Kunal shifted his focus to angel investing after Snapdeal's decline, and he's built a portfolio of 66 startups. Many of his investments overlap with Rohit's, but Kunal has also made unique investments in companies like Rapido, Ola, and IndiaGold. Kunal's investment strategy is collaborative. He often consults with other investors and startups before making a move. This approach has led to a strong portfolio that spans multiple industries, from ride-hailing to fintech. His ability to build relationships and networks within the startup community has made him a valuable mentor and investor, helping startups navigate the challenges of scaling and growth. Rounding out the top 3 is Anupam Mittal, the founder and CEO of People Group, which owns well-known brands like Shadi.com and Makaan.com. Anupam has been a key player in the Indian startup scene for over a decade, with 65 investments under his belt. His angel investing journey began in 2011 with Ola, one of India's biggest unicorns, and since then, he's made a name for himself as a smart and calculated risk-taker. What's remarkable about Anupam is his track record for exits. He's had 12 so far, more than anyone else on this list. Companies like SimSim, acquired by YouTube, and Truebill, acquired by Spinny, have given him notable wins. His portfolio is a diverse mix of sectors, from mobility and fintech to social commerce and SaaS. Known for his sharp instincts and deep involvement with the startups he invests in, Anupam isn't just a silent partner. He's actively involved in guiding and mentoring the founders he backs, making him one of the most respected names in India's angel investing scene. In second place, we have Rajan Anandan, currently a managing director at Sequoia Capital and a former top executive at Google India. Rajan has invested in 67 startups throughout his 12-year journey as an angel investor. What sets him apart is his focus on building ecosystems rather than just funding individual companies. He understands that for startups to thrive, they need a robust infrastructure and a supportive network. Rajan's investments have helped fuel India's booming tech ecosystem, with a special focus on startups in fintech, SaaS, and consumer internet sectors. Some of his most notable exits include Gaming Monk, Piopexo, and Innov8, showing his knack for picking winners early. Anandan's global experience, combined with his deep understanding of India's market, has allowed him to mentor and guide startups in navigating the unique challenges of emerging markets. His ability to spot potential in companies, even in their earliest stages, has cemented his place as one of India's most influential angel investors. At the top of our list, we have Kunal Shah, the founder of Cred and co-founder of FreeCharge. But Kunal is more than just a successful entrepreneur. He's a powerhouse angel investor with over 170 investments in his portfolio. What makes Kunal stand out is his unique approach to investing. For him, angel investing isn't just about making money. It's a way to give back to the startup ecosystem that helped him succeed. Kunal is known for his quick decision-making and his openness to backing founders at the very earliest stages, sometimes based on just a pitch deck sent via WhatsApp. His portfolio spans a wide range of industries, including fintech, SaaS, and consumer tech. and he's known for supporting startups that are working to solve real, large-scale problems. Some of his most notable investments include companies like Razorpay, Unacademy, and Credit Self. Shah's influence as an angel investor goes beyond money. His mentorship and network are invaluable to the startups he supports, making him not just an investor but a catalyst for growth in India's startup scene. So, what do you think? Are India's angel investors shaping the future, or are they simply following the trends? If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. Check out the videos appearing on your screen right now for more insights and stories from the world of technology. This is the AI Lib. Stay tuned.